In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stunning presentation videos in Canva. Designing presentations that captivate your audience has never been easier thanks to the powerful tools offered by Canva. Whether you're a seasoned presenter or just starting out, this process will help you add a polished touch to any presentation in no time. So let's dive right in and get started. The first step is to open Canva. If you don't already have an account, signing up is easy and free, so you can get started right away. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the Canva homepage, where there are various design options available. From here, you'll want to create a new design. To do this, click on the Create a Design button, and from the drop-down menu, select Presentation. This option provides a variety of templates specifically tailored for slideshows, and you can choose one that fits your style while maintaining consistency in your brand or theme. Next up, it's tempting to jump straight into customizing with animations and effects, but it's crucial to lay out your slides first. Think of this as building the foundation of your presentation. Decide on the number of slides, the content you want to include, and the overall structure of your presentation. Once your slides are laid out and the content is organized, it's time to bring them to life with animations. To start animating, click on a slide to select it. You'll see an animate option appear on the toolbar above. Click on this option to explore a variety of animation styles available. These animations can help emphasize key points, engage your audience, and give your presentation that extra flair. Choose any animation you prefer, keeping in mind the tone and pace you wish to convey. In addition to animating entire slides, Canva allows you to animate individual elements like text boxes, shapes, or images, providing even more flexibility. To do this, select the specific element within a slide. Once highlighted, you'll once again find the Animate option. Feel free to mix and match animations to create a dynamic and visually appealing experience for your audience. Once you've animated your slides and elements, it's important to set transitions between slides. Transitions can ensure that your presentation flows smoothly from one slide to the next. With everything animated and your transitions set, you're ready for the final step, sharing and downloading your presentation. Once you're satisfied with your animated masterpiece, click on the Share button located in the top right corner. From here, you can download your presentation as either an MP4 video or a PowerPoint file. Choosing MP4 allows you to easily share a seamless video version of your presentation, perfect for online platforms or virtual meetings. And there you have it, a beautiful and engaging presentation created with ease in Canva. With these features, bringing your ideas to life has never been more accessible. Happy creating, and thank you for watching.